coffee bag and fresh orange.
And this is where I've parked for the night. No problems, I just tucked in behind this lorry and I had such a quiet night's sleep. And it's only a £5 for 24 hours between 1st of March and 31st of October. And free between November and February. Pay by the Ringo app. Got to be the cleanest toilets that I've been in. Just at the side of the road, on the way up to Cairngorm Ski Centre, opposite Glenmore campsite. I've parked up on the road just up there. You can see Pedro. I parked up there for free. Between November and February, it's free overnight. Any other time, it's at a £5. And then these toilets here are open 24 hours. So, you know, can't be fairer than that. And then 5 minutes walk down the road is the pub. You can see it just down there, that Pine Martin Bar and Scran. So it's another free stopover. Get in. Now we're going to go and see what the snow situation is on top of the mountain, see if I might be able to get the skis out, whether it's worth it. Limited snow sports, it's 35 quid for the day, but if they've only got like 1 or 2 pistes open on top of the mountain and it's busy, be a lot of queuing. I don't know whether I'll bother. I've come all this way, but not just to ski. Never come to Scotland with the expectation you're going to ski. Oh, there we go, there's a sign. Glenmore Visitor Centre and Cafe. Never been in. Looks quite nice. And there's the campsite over here, where you could probably pay about 35 plus pounds a night. The shower block. Wild Wazzers on the side of the road. Oh, look at that poor sod in a tent. Bloody hell. I did think of him last night when I was walking back from the pub. God, I'm glad I'm not in a tent and I'm in like the camper van, got the heater on. Oh, the Cairngorm reindeer centre looks quite pretty up there. And as you can see, the snow on the mountain. Now, about 8:45 in the morning. Not had any breakfast yet or anything, but I thought I'd just get up to the mountain to the Cairngorm Ski Centre and just see what's going on, how busy it is, whether there's any tickets, whether they're opening any runs, and then once I know what I'm doing, I'll get some breakfast. Not many people here today. There's another van like Pedro. Bus timetable every hour. It'll be interesting skiing up there if it's like this down here. So I've just chatted to a local about wind conditions up at the top. They were going to try and get the ptarmigan, one of the decent tow bars taken up to the top, trying to get one of the tow bars open. However, I think his Scottish words were, I think today's fucked. If it's this windy down here, I think there's no chance up on the top. Station there. Pretty wild out there, so I don't think there's going to be any skiing today. It's just too windy, and as you get on top of the mountain you'll be having 60-70 mile an hour winds. You'll just be getting blown up the mountain. So I'm going to drop back down round to that viewpoint and have some breakfast. So while I wait for a decision on what's happening with the mountain and whether snow sports are going to happen today, I found this lovely spot just a bit halfway down the mountain that's a bit more sheltered, as you can see, with a gorgeous view. So decided to have a spot of breakfast. So just a simple one: toast, marmalade, butter and marmalade with a brew. But you know what, just chill here for a while now. Just listening to that wind, it's just so peaceful. Picking up as well, that's not... I'll monitor the Facebook situation, seeing... but I'm not holding my breath about skiing. I'll do that after the new year. Go down to the Alps.